Today's gonna be a fun one. I'm also trying out a new microphone.
This is a flushing Main Street Round 7 local train.
So today, it's gonna be a fun day for me because I'm gonna treat myself a little bit. Treat yourself.
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
It's the best day of the year.
The best day of the year.
A few months back, I was just watching YouTube, trying to find some, fun content. And I saw this YouTuber who does a lot of those travel type vlogs. And he was in New York City. And not just New York City, he was in Queens. He was in a neighborhood called Jackson Heights, which is a little bit of a ways from me, a few train stops. But he was at this barbershop, this Punjabi Barbershop. And what he did there looked interesting, also a little bit of fun. And I said, I gotta do that. And so for the past, I don't know, year or so, I've been seeing these guys every once in a while and basically getting the works. It's just a way that I can treat myself, feel good, look nice. And today I'm taking you with me.
Treat yourself 2011.
Now, you might be wondering, why today, Patrick? Why is today a day for the barbershop? Well, because of this monstrosity. I'll see you afterwards. This has to get taken care of. That's better.
Wax, right? Full face?
Yeah, wax here and then wax here.
Okay. Not here?
No.
Okay.
Thank you, man. What about you? Thank you. See you guys. Oh, that felt so good. I haven't been there in a while. And, oh, I mean, look at this. Come on. Look great. So, admittedly, I have this bad habit where I am kind of constantly worried about other people having a good time, and I don't get out there and do things that bring me life unless I'm forced to do so. And when I saw this YouTube video forever ago that featured the, Punjabi unisex barbershop, I thought to myself, man, that looks really cool. That could be a fun video, and went out there to kind of experience it as a one-time thing. But then when I realized how, cheap it was, I mean, compared to going other places, and I actually realized how much fun I had while I was there and how much more relaxed I was, I came home and I talked to my wife, Teresa, about it, and she said, you need to do that. You need to go there. You need to schedule time, set aside some cash to go there once a month or every couple of weeks. And I've really tried to be more and more disciplined about that. And, watch a couple of videos before this one where I talk about this sabbatical, this long break from work that I'm on. I've decided that during this sabbatical to do more things like this, to go and get my hair cut the way I want, which actually took the least amount of time, but my beard trimmed the way I want, to get a massage, to do this stuff that kind of just brings me life and I think is fun. And I think it's a lesson to all of us that if we have the time and if we have the resources, stop worrying so much about everybody else having a good time around you or pleasing everybody else. Go out there and do something that you like to do, because today was fun. Today was fun, and now I'm sitting here and probably editing this video thinking, man, that was fun. I feel relaxed, I feel rejuvenated, I feel refreshed, and what's another word? Relentless? Let's go with that. So I guess my question is this, what are some of the ways that you go out there and, treat yourself? What are some of the ways that you go out and have fun on your own? What are some of the things that you do that bring you life? Let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions about what I did today, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And get out there and do that thing that brings you life. And then do all the other YouTube things as well. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.